I know I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. My hair situation isn't great, but just know I'll be looking like this by the end of the video, so it's all gonna come together, I promise. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing a little get ready with me. I really just want to sit in front of the camera and basically just get ready for the day with you guys. I really desperately need to do my hair. I put it up in a half like little bun over here because I don't think you want to see what it looks like down. I mean, you will, but it's terrifying. I am actually going to be showing you guys how I get my hair from looking like really frizzy and just not smooth at all to looking really smooth with a new hair tool that I've been really enjoying. And for my makeup today, I'm actually going to be completely switching up my routine. I feel like I've been in such a rut lately with my makeup routine. I've sort of been using the same products over and over and over again. That is no like surprise, you guys probably noticed that. I really just wanted to shop my stash and sort of just get some use out of products that haven't been loved in a while. So I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy it. I hope that you're going to enjoy the makeup look that I come up with today. Don't forget to let me know all of your thoughts down below. Let me know if there's any products in your life that you've recently rediscovered that you've been really loving. I would love to get some of your recommendations. Give me a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So without further ado, I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going to take my hair down. We're going to start off with that and then move on to the face. So let's do this. Okay, moment of truth. This is what my hair is looking like right now. It's not great. It's gonna be slightly improved in a few seconds. So this portion of today's video is in collaboration with Amica, which is so cool. I've been using this little mini hair straightening brush over the last month. I've been really enjoying it. So I'm gonna be talking to you guys a little bit about this guy today. So this is pretty much a straightening hairbrush. So if you are incredibly lazy like I am when it comes to your hair, this little brush is honestly such a lifesaver. I have very curly and very frizzy hair, as you guys can see. So when I style my hair, like after I freshly wash it, it always looks good, but then like the next day or after I go to the gym, my hair will always frizz up. And you know what, I really don't love going back in with like my straightener or my curling iron and completely redoing it. It's just a really big pain in the butt. So this little guy has been such a huge time saver for me because it's literally just a little hairbrush, and the bristles on this hairbrush are heated. So when you use this tool and brush it through your hair, it completely smooths it, straightens it, and adds a lot of shine. So it's a really great product to use when you want to touch up your hair. If I ever have a really long day and I want to make sure like my hair is looking good, if I have like an important meeting or anything like that, I actually throw this in my bag. I just go to a bathroom, I plug it in, I turn it on, it heats up really quickly, and I can use this to quickly touch up any like frizziness or flyaways, and it just really does the tricks. Especially since the holidays are coming up, this would be such a great little gift, and it comes in this cute little pouch, which is so pretty. So yeah, I really want to show you guys how I use this guy. I'm going to basically just straighten my hair and get it as straight as possible so that I could put it in a sleek low bun, which is always my go-to look, especially when my hair is just like a little bit dirty and I don't really want to like care too much about it. So all you got to do is literally just brush your hair and it completely smooths it out, as you guys are going to be able to see. There's really nothing special that you got to do with this thing. You literally just brush. So I'm just going to very lightly brush my hair back and then secure it with a hair elastic. And then what I'll do is I'll take the brush again, and when it's already in the bun, I'll just like smooth it out one last time just to do some final touches. I don't think I mentioned what this is called. It's the Amica Mini Polish Perfection Straightening Brush. So that's it. I went from my hair looking a little bit crazy and frizzy to just really nice and smooth and sleek. All right, now that my hair is looking a whole lot better, let's focus on the makeup. So for my makeup today, I'm actually going to not only be using some new products, but I'm actually also going to be doing a new technique. Now, Sam also recently did a video where she basically did her foundation in reverse, and I thought it was a really interesting way to do it. Basically what she did is she took her concealer, her cream blush, cream highlighter, and cream bronzer, and I don't know if she used a cream contour, but you can also use a cream contour. She put that all on her face before applying her foundation, and then after she had all those products applied, she would put her foundation on top of that. So the effect that it gave the skin, it made it look like all of those products were coming from underneath the skin. So it just gave a very natural look. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. But first I want to prime my skin. I'm going to be taking my Clinique Super Primer. This is a universal face primer. This is actually a primer that I used quite a bit when I first got it, and I really liked it. I really feel like this is truly a universal face primer. It's not a primer that's like overly glowy or overly smoothing or too much of really really anything, so I feel like it's just really easy for everybody with all different skin types to use it. It's basically just more of like a moisturizing primer, but it has a really nice like smoothing finish to it, so I find that it does a really great job of not only moisturizing my face but also just making a nice smooth canvas for everything else to sit on. And I'm sort of upset that I stopped using it because it's a really nice one. All right, here's the point where I'm gonna start to look a little bit crazy. It's time to start putting stripes on my face. So this is my Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Almond. This is actually the very first cream contour product I ever bought myself. I bought this, I think, based off the recommendation of Desi Perkins from like one of her very first contour videos from years and years and years ago when contouring first really became a thing on YouTube. And I bought this because she used it in her video and she looked amazing using it. Now this is a foundation, so it is a pretty like heavy duty product, so you don't want to apply too much of this. I sort of just want to use this to add some nice wow, I can't talk today, to add some nice warmth to my skin. So I just put some on like my cheekbone area and on my temples. So now I'm just gonna take a little brush and blend this out. This is my Morphe G40. And yeah, this is gonna look really crazy because this is obviously sitting on my naked skin, so it's not gonna blend out super well, but once I put the foundation on top, it should look a whole lot better. It's not for sure that it's gonna look better, but I'm assuming. Just hang tight, because there's gonna be a point where you're gonna be like, Jamie, just what are you doing to your face right now? So now I'm gonna apply a little bit of a contour product. This is my Fenty contour stick. It's the Match Sticks in the shade Amber. I actually really like this. This is one of the only Fenty matchsticks that I actually kept because I love the shade of this. It's a really great contour shade. It's very cool toned, as you can see, especially in contrast to that Bobbi Brown foundation stick that I applied. It's very cool toned. It almost looks borderline gray actually, especially when it's not on top of a foundation. It looks a little bit weird. Ooh, I'm sort of regretting this choice. And I'm just gonna use the same brush to buff that out. This looks crazy right now. Oh my god. We are blended. That contour looks freaking weird, but we're just gonna keep on going. So now I'm gonna take my Nudestix Nudies all over face color in the shade In the Nude. I love the Nudestix Nudies. They're such great cream products. I just don't remember the last time I used In the Nude, so I really wanted to take it out for a spin today. I usually use the shade Bareback, which is more of like a pinky shade. This is almost like a rusty red. It's so pretty. I feel like it's a little bit more unique too, so I really wanted to try it out today. I'm gonna apply this a little bit heavier on my cheeks than I normally would because we are going to be covering it up with foundation. I look crazy. So I'm not going to be too shy with it because it is going to be covered, like I said. So yeah. Okay, last but not least, for like the cream products underneath, I am going to take my cream highlighter from Becca. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Poured in Opal. I do not remember the last time I used one of the poured Becca highlighters, and they're so beautiful, like so beautiful. Becca highlighters are like one of those products that I always forget how amazing they actually are. Every time I use it, I'm like, why do I use anything else? Because they're so gorgeous. Becca just really does highlighters so right. Anyways, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this, actually quite a bit of it, on top of my cheekbones. I'm interested to see if the foundation is going to completely cover up this glow or if it's going to make it just look really nice and very natural, which I'm totally into. I'm also going to put some of this highlighter sort of like in the center of my forehead and a little bit down the bridge of my nose. So for my concealer, this is a product that I've not used in the longest time. It is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.5. So I am going to put a little bit of this underneath my eyes and wherever else I want to conceal, which is normally around my nose and on my chin. And I'm just going to take another brush. This is the Morphe G37, and it's just a little bit more pointed and not rounded. And I'm just going to blend this out. This color doesn't match me great, but that's okay. Not super brightening. It's time to put the foundation on, and hopefully everything is just gonna come together really, really nicely. So for my foundation today, this is a little bit newer in my life. This is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. When I did one of my like testing my subscribers' favorite makeup videos, I had you guys recommend me some of your favorite more natural foundations, and a lot of you guys were saying that you love this one, so I picked it up. I have tried it I think like once or twice, and I actually did really enjoy it, but I'm not like super familiar with the product, and I haven't used it in a while, so I wanted to take it out again today. And I actually am gonna mix a little bit of oil with the foundation. I'm gonna take my Laneige dual layer face oil. I'm just gonna put like 2 drops. I sort of just want to thin it out just a little bit because I don't want it to be a super, not that this is very full coverage, but I just want to sheer it out just a little bit. This is also way too dark for me. So because I have a lot of cream products sitting on my face right now that I don't want to disturb and move around, I am going to use a sponge instead of a brush to put on the foundation. And I'm basically just going to start to apply the foundation on top of all the craziness that I just put on my face. Oh, it's already making it so much better. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh, wow. Even though I saw Sam do this and I saw how nice it looked on her, for some reason I was still skeptical when I was doing it on myself and putting on all those like crazy colored stripes in my face essentially. I just didn't know how it would turn out, but I am like so pleasantly surprised right now with how gorgeous this whole thing looks. What I'm really loving about this is the fact that everything looks completely seamless on my face. Like there's no demarcation lines of any sort. You cannot tell where my blush starts, where my bronzer starts, or my highlighter starts or ends. Like everything just looks like it's meant to be on my skin. I feel like that's like almost the best way to describe it. It doesn't look heavy in the slightest, and it just looks so almost like airbrushed and seamless. 10 on 10. This is gonna be like the only way that I'm ever gonna be applying my makeup from now on. I can't get over this. I am very happy and excited right now. I am, however, going to set just a little bit. So I'm going to take this Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder in Light Translucent. I'm taking like the teeniest little amount, and I'm just going to pat this underneath my eyes. It's actually nice. It's sort of like blurred my pores in this area a little bit. All right, I love that a lot. Yes. Okay, before I go on to my eyes, I am gonna just spray this little Glow Getter mist from Wander Beauty all over my face. Let's see if this is gonna make my skin any glowier. It does have a nice mist. It smells nice too, it's very subtle. Don't really notice much of a difference. Now let's just quickly move on to my eyes. I don't really want to do anything too crazy for my eyes. I really want to focus a lot on my skin today, but I did want to try out the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. Looks like this. I was actually pretty excited when I saw this. I haven't been too excited about the Too Faced palette in a while, but I really like all the shades in here. You have a nice mix of mattes and then these incredible, very shimmery, glittery shades, which I definitely want to dabble in today. So I'm gonna take the shade It's Designer, which is just a matte cream, and I'm just gonna use this to set my brow bone to my crease and just brighten up that area right there. And then I'm gonna go into the shade It's Cashmere, which is this really nice mid-tone warm brown matte shade. And on my fluffy brush, again, this is my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. I'm just gonna put this right above my crease just to add some warmth there. It's applying really nicely. So I'm just gonna take the same shade and just buff that underneath my lid. I don't think that makes sense. On my lower lash line is what I'm trying to say, just to sort of balance things out. Now let's see how these shimmers apply. I'm gonna take the first shade in the palette, Diamonds and Breakfast. It's a beautiful silvery champagne, and I'm gonna use it on my finger. Oh my god, that's really intense. It feels very chunky though. I'm really scared this is gonna go everywhere. So because I'm scared, I'm going to spray my finger with a little bit of Fix Plus, but it has something to like adhere to. So I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus and I'm literally spraying my finger with it. And I'm just gonna pat this on my lid. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. That is so pretty. I do actually really like the way that applied with my finger and the Fix Plus. There's no fallout whatsoever. I think that's definitely the key for a product like this. While we're up close and personal, Here's a nice little close-up of my skin. For my mascara, I'm gonna be taking my Stila Huge Mascara. I used to use this all the time. I really, really love this. This makes my lashes look literally huge. It really does like volumize and lengthen. It does a really great job of that. My battery's dying on my camera right now, so I'm actually gonna go charge it really quick. I'm gonna go put on my mascara. You guys don't need to watch me do that. It's pretty straightforward. I'm also gonna do my brows really quickly, and then I'll be back to finish off the look with the lips and to see the final look. Okay, mascara is on, brows are done. I'm really loving the way this look is turning out. I know it's super simple, but I just love how fresh everything looks. It's like, it's just giving me a lot of joy right now. So I'm just gonna finish this off with the lips. I'm first just gonna quickly line my lips with my Nabla Velvet Line lip liner in Rosy Magnolia. I'm sort of just lining like the Cupid's bow and just the center of my bottom lip. So for my lipstick, I'm taking my Lancome Nuit et Jour. This used to be one of my favorite pinky nudes. I used to use it all the time, but I sort of forgot about it. It is probably one of the most perfect pinky nudes. It's just so pretty. It's really nice and sort of like sheer and buildable, and it has a really nice like glossy sheen to it as well. The only downside to this lip color is that it doesn't last very long because it is so glossy, but it just looks so, so beautiful on the lip. For the gloss today, I'm gonna take this other Lancome gloss that I've had in my collection for a while that I just have not yet used, and I really want to test it out. It's in the shade number 03 Opalescent. It's a really pretty like gold, peach, pink shift type of lip gloss. I think this is gonna look really pretty on top of the nude. Oh my god, yeah. Oh wow. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. It just adds like such a subtle shift to the lips, and it's so glossy, but there's no like shimmer, which I actually really like for this look. Wow. All right, this is the finished look. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so that you could see the skin, the lips, the eyes, everything about this is so pretty, and it was so easy and simple to do as well. So guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Maybe it inspired you also to like get out of your routine and sort of just like shop your stash and try and use products that you haven't used in a while. Don't forget to let me know all of your thoughts down below as per usual. Give this video a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And once again, thank you so much to Amica for sponsoring a portion of today's video. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.